There are so many people who do not have access to education and who do not know how to read and write. And so one of the focuses of the Full Circle Foundation is access to education and therefore be able to better their circumstances.
In Nepal, the education program started with the idea that we could send high school graduates to college, to get them the next level of education, and we would support the girls for 4 years through a full college education. When we finished up there, we started looking at the children of the raw material suppliers. We would do the stipend for their tuition, books, dormitory, and transportation to and from their college. So the next level, after just making sure they had their tuition and books and we'd found enough kids, was to look at the schools themselves. What were the needs there? And that's how we came upon the lunch program. The monastery is almost like an orphanage. It takes the neediest kids. So we started there maybe 3 or 4 years ago to cover the costs of the food for the students.